Hey everyone, hello, namaste, welcome and welcome back to Get Peppy with me. So, कैसे हो मेरे प्यारे friends? I hope you all are doing fantastic and Iwala, I have discovered a new store जिसका नाम है यशस्वी Jewelers located at कुकटपल्ली. इट्स ऑपोजिट टू अ फेमस टेम्पल. तो बहुत अच्छा यहाँ पर कलेक्शन है. वैसे आई एम ऑलवेज इन सर्च ऑफ समथिंग न्यू, समथिंग एक्साइटिंग. बहुत ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स होते हैं जब मैं स्टोर पे जाती हूँ, जैसे कि अफोर्डेबिलिटी हो गई है या फिर बेस्ट प्राइजेस हो गए हैं या फिर डिज़ाइंस हो गए हैं. कीपिंग एवरीथिंग इन माइंड आई एक्चुअली केम टू दिस स्टोर एंड आई वाज शॉक्ड टू लुक एट देयर अमेजिंग कलेक्शन, स्पेशली द लाइट वेट साइड ऑफ इट. सो इन टुडेज वीडियो आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट टू कवर द लाइट वेट necklaces starting from 4 grams onwards. बहुत beautiful pieces है. Just look at the one I am wearing. It looks so royal, queenly, elegant, जो आप हमेशा पहन सकती हो. Ade Kakunda, like you have heavy collections also, like diamond rings, diamond necklaces, gold necklaces in pure 22 karat gold, and also diamond lookalike jewelry. Huge collection is available. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. And today we are just going to see the lightweight necklaces from this amazing store. Looking for daily wear jewelry that's both stylish and budget friendly? I'm at a store where wastage starts at 3% on plain bangles and chain, and even designer pieces cap at 15%. Don't miss this amazing deal. And on top of that, diamond jewelry are also available, the most budget friendly and also most competitive. Also discover diamond jewelry like never before. These stunning beauties are just so beautiful, and designer diamond collections. Again, wastage making charges is very less on these pieces. Also, these beauties are too gorgeous to miss. First వచ్చేసి इलांटी डिजाइन देखिए. फर्स्ट डिजाइन आप लोगों के लिए मैं लेके आई हूँ for 4 grams onwards. This kind of leaf pattern, pure 22 karat gold, green color stones. It looks so very beautiful. I will show you the design and workmanship of it. You might be thinking it's lightweight, तो पहनने पे अच्छा नहीं दिखेगा and all those things, but just look at the glam of this. It can give competition to any heavyweight jewelry also. You can wear this in salwar kameez, sarees, cocktail outfits, anything. It will look very beautiful. And the net weight is just 4 grams. And the price of this set is 35,000 rupees approximately. This is the next necklace, which is again a chain necklace with the green color stones, seasoned stones and pearl detailing. Net weight of this is 6 grams. So I can show you the shine and the finish of this if you guys are seeing. So this piece is super lightweight and also very durable. It will look very nice on any of your Indian looks. This is another piece, designer beads collection. This piece is really very lightweight again, friends. Net weight of this is just 6.5 grams. In 6.5 grams you're getting this kind of a design. First of all, इतने lightweight में हम लोगों को bangles भी नहीं मिलते, but इतने lightweight में we are getting a beautiful necklace with this kind of green color stones, bead detailing and red color stones and seasoned stones. Look at the grandeur of this piece. I'm totally liking it. It's so very heavy looking piece, but it very lightweight design. This is another necklace. Net weight of this is 6 grams. This has this very different light stones and this kind of red color stones and seasoned stones. Net weight of this is just 6 grams. Just look at this piece. This is also so very simple, elegant in pure 22 karat gold. This kind of piece also looks so very brilliant. This is another necklace. Net weight of this is 8 grams. If you guys are seeing, it has this kind of flower detailing, red color beads and green color beads. Net weight of this is coming close to 8.467 grams approximately. In a very lightweight again. This piece is a perfect example of lightweight but heavy looking jewelry. इसमें थोड़ा आप नक्शी डिटेलिंग भी देख सकते हो गोल्ड के फिनिश में, प्योर 22 कैरेट के गोल्ड में. एंड ये सीजेड स्टोन्स की वजह से इसका शाइन भी बहुत अलग आ रहा है लुक वाइज. इफ यू गाइज आर सीइंग, टोटली लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ डिजाइंस. ऑल्सो नॉट टू फॉरगेट फ्रेंड्स, मैं अगर नए कोई स्टोर पे आई हूँ तो वहाँ की जो स्पेशलिटी होती है वो तो मैं बताती ही हूँ. ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट अगर कुछ पसंद आ गया तो वो तो मैं छुपा नहीं सकती. सो आई टोटली लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ कंटी नेकलेसेस ऑल्सो. देखकर सोचा क्यों ना मैं ये भी आप लोगों को बता दूं, बिकॉज दे आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 15 ग्राम्स ऑनवर्ड्स एंड लाइक यू नो कंटी नेकलेसेस आर इन ट्रेंड दीज डेज. तो ये डिजाइन देख लो कैसे है. इसका डिजाइन देखो कितना क्यूट है एंड यू कैन सी गॉडेस लक्ष्मी एंड सीजेड स्टोन्स एंड थोड़ा एंटीक टेम्पल का फिनिश है इसमें. यू हैव अदर डिजाइन्स ऑल्सो जहां पर गॉड्स एंड गॉडेसेस के मोटिव्स नहीं है एंड सुपर लाइट वेट में आ रहे हैं पीसेस. Not only this, you have it in different textures also in gold. So huge variety is available. I'm just showing you only 3 pieces. So अगर आप store पर आओगे कंटी necklaces के लिए, you won't be disappointed. And if I have come down to the store, it does not make any sense for me to not to show you what I like. कंटी डिटेलिंग तो आपको पसंद है, पर मुझे इस तरीके के प्योर 22 कैरेट के गोल्ड के नेकलेसेस जो इन्वेस्टमेंट वाइज बेस्ट होते हैं, पहनने में भी एकदम ब्यूटीफुल लगते हैं, वो पीसेस दिखाने से मैं पीछे नहीं हटती. एंड दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई आई गॉट यू दिस पीसेस स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 15 grams onwards, which you can actually wear it for any of your wedding ceremonies, जैसे हल्दी, मेहंदी, संगीत, कोई भी सेरेमनी में क्यों ना हो. From 15 grams onwards, I was shocked to see this collection, especially if you see this kind of mango detailing chain necklace, which is super flexible. Look at the design, it's so very simple. And if you guys are seeing, net weight of this piece is, weight of this chain is just 16 grams. Just look at the glossy finish of this chain. I totally loved it. And other pieces are also there, जैसे हम regularly देखते हैं this kind of matte finish necklaces जो है, ऐसे भी आपको pieces देखने को मिलेंगे. And you will see deep नक्शी detailing necklaces also, which are preferred in South. बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को पसंद है. అదే కాకుండా మనకి ఇలాంటి చాందబాలి డీటెయిలింగ్ లో నెక్లెసెస్ కూడా అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇట్స్ ఆల్ అప్ టు యూ వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డిజైన్ యూ వాంట్. సో this video was just a small glimpse of what kind of necklaces are available in pure 22 karat gold, which are best for investment purposes also. ఆల్ రైట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, చూసారు కదా ఎంత చక్కటి కలెక్షన్ నేను మీకోసం తీసుకొని వచ్చాను ఇవాళ, దట్ టు ఫ్రమ్ అ న్యూ స్టోర్. ఐ ట్రై మై బెస్ట్ టు గో టు ఆల్ ద స్టోర్స్ అండ్ గెట్ యూ ఆల్ ద వీడియోస్ విచ్ ఆర్ perfectly matching to your requirement. So if you were in search of something lightweight and also something different for everyone in your house, you can definitely come to this store. ఎందుకంటే gold, diamond, bead collection అన్ని available ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ, starting from the range of 25,000 to 30,000 rupees, which is like super affordable. And if you guys want to know more about it, you can definitely reach us out on any of the numbers that you see on the screen down below. We'll be more than happy to show you more pieces on WhatsApp video calling too. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Share this video with your family and friends, and do stay tuned for another amazing video from this amazing store. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye.